Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Here we are in my friend's garage looking today at the Craftsman half horsepower. It's not a chain drive, it's a belt drive. We're gonna use the wall button over there. There's the wall button. Now let's open it up. It's very quiet. Very quiet. Okay, now let's close it. Okay, now let's open the garage door again. Here we go. Very quiet. Now let's close it again. Very quiet. Okay, now let's open the garage door one more time. Here we go. Okay, now let's close the garage door one more time. Here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.